Welcome everybody. I've decided this is going to be Thundercats week. Had to do a little stretching to make them fit in to have enough of them, so I've decided to split up the Thunder Kittens to their own day. The WilyKat and WilyKit. These came with, I'm pretty sure they came with Tigra and Chitara, sort of their spare action sort of extras in there. They're not posable at all. They got their little stands they stand on. So I think seems like Lion-O had like a little bunch of little accessories with him. His eyes lit up and everything, and let's see, and like a little ring thing. I'm trying to think. So I think this is sort of to make it up. And I don't know what come with Panthera. What's Panthro? Was that his name? I actually didn't get Panthro. If that is in fact his name, I'll have to double check the Wikipedia page for it. But I say these just sort of like, I'm pretty sure these are just like bonus characters to make it a little more worthwhile to buy the big ones. Pretty well detailed actually. Got go all the way around back. It's not just on the face. And in the cartoon, I think they carried little, not bombs, but little pellets that gas explosion things in their pouches on their pockets, or on their belts rather. I say sort of same thing. Got some small details all the way around. Typical 80s stuff. Got her leg warmers on. She does sort of look like a what do you call it? An 80s aerobics instructor with the was it flash dance? She had the torn up sweatshirt hanging off her shoulders. But anyway, that's the Thunder Kittens, WilyKat and WilyKit. Be back if you're digging what I'm doing. Make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.